Hey, this talent solution today were another question solved for a C and several exam. Let's go. This is This is nine question. Let's go. We'll have two and several all and minus ping. Ping module. We are checking our all posted ping or not ping. Yeah, are all posted. Okay. This is my silent solution. Here is the Linux cloud related many video solve. You can see, I think you have many idea here. Let's go where solve this question. First of all, this question name is generate host file. This have your exam this file download. Download this file and complete run the host dev host group. Just as mentioned. Let's go. First of all, we are not download our local. That's why you have to need to create one host file cat. It is a host. When you download, just see this up. See this, not this file, but you have to write this when you exam. The time is write this for loop function. Let's go first of all name host z2 just for loop solves host vars as IP address as a fully qualified domain and say FQ10 just host name where write and save just one space here and in for loop. Let's go. Now we're save and exit. Now we're write playbook host YML just playbook this all host groups and when condition. But when exam not need this file, right? There have also this YML file. Just wget download and play run. Just write your Jinja file when you open Jinja file. Just Jinja file write when you exam. Just Jinja file to write. That's punched your task when exam. When you exam, that's you have to write this. Let's go. Now we are Ansible play book host host the checking syntax. Yeah, our syntax is okay. Now we are just play or play. It's just okay and change one. Let's go. We are now C and several all. We are just deploy this dev group. Dev no need here is all. Just which group we were deploy. Just see this cat etc my host. Yeah, our question solve is done. Here is your IP address, here is a fully qualified domain, and server name. Server 1, server this exam question is solved. Thanks for watching. We are next another video have to another question solved, and this is a Jinja template working here. Thanks for watching.